ukuphila okuphakade. Sihlala sikhumbuza ukuthi asakhile la. Sithi noma inhlupheko zikhona, kodwa thina ngelinye ilanga siyakumbona lesimkhonzayo. Athobhala kahle athi inhlupheko zesikhashana ayinakulinganiswa nenkazimulo uJehova asibekele yona ngale.
Hello Msenzi, it's a Gossip Girl. Zanele Mpokazi, the founder of Crown Gospel Music Awards and Ukhozi FM radio presenter, died at the age of 52 years after a battle with lung cancer. News of her death was shared by her husband, Bishop Mpendule Nkambule, who expressed and took to Instagram and posted this caption: "It is with a heavy heart that we, the Nkambule and Mpokazi family, announce the passing of our dearly beloved Ms. Zanele Mpokazi Nkambule, founder of Crown Gospel Music Awards and Ukhozi FM radio personality. She departed to be with the Lord early hours of 12 August 2024 at Parklands Hospital. We are grateful for all the prayers, the love and support we received throughout her illness. The family would appreciate privacy as we navigate through this challenging time." The announcement by husband Bishop Mpendule Nkambule. Earlier this year, Mzansi, Bishop Nkambule and Ukhozi FM business manager announced that Mpokazi was diagnosed with lung cancer. The announcement was made following speculations about her health and her being absent from the radio station. Nkambule said that her wife fell ill in April and was admitted to the hospital after her condition got worse. He said that during an operation that Mpokazi underwent after experiencing short of breath, doctors discovered that she had lung cancer. So unfortunately, life happened and God took, his life. May her soul rest in peace. Till I see you again, Msansi. Bye-bye.
Happy anniversary to you, my love.
Happy anniversary, my love.
How's it?
Yeah, Kwezela ring.
Yeah, Kwezela. Kwezela. What is that?